Checking your BeHear Now battery level is very simple. There are two ways of doing this, either on the headset itself or using the smartphone app. To check battery level using the headset, turn it on by pressing the power button for 1 second until the LED is light blue. Then press the power button again for less than 1 second. A steady green light indicates that the battery has at least a 50% charge. A steady yellow light indicates that the battery is between 10% and 50% charged. A blinking red light indicates that the battery has less than 10% charge and needs immediate recharging. If the light does not turn on, the battery is most likely completely drained and needs recharging. The second way to check your battery level is using the BeHear Now app. The battery level icon appears on the top left part of each of the app screens. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.